Conversation 106, Directions.
Hi. Where do you want to go?
Please take me to the Modern Art Museum.
I am sorry. I don't know where the Modern Art Museum is located.
That's okay. Go south across the bridge and turn right at the post office.
Oh, I remember. It is east of Central Park.
That is correct. Turn right at the corner and stop in front of the bus stop.
Thanks for your directions.
Conversation 107, Our World.
If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go?
I think I'd like to go to Egypt and see the pyramids of Giza.
Really? Do you like Egypt?
Yes. Recently, I've been learning about ancient Egyptian history. It's really fascinating.
If you ever get a chance to go, bring me a souvenir, okay?
Conversation 108, Holidays.
I'm so glad we get a holiday soon. I need a break.
What are you doing for Golden Week?
I'm going to visit my family. How about you?
I'm going to travel with my friends to Kyoto.
Sounds like fun. Be sure to tell me all about your Golden Week when you get back.
Okay. You, too. Conversation 109, Colors and Shapes.
How was yesterday's wedding reception?
It was beautiful. Too bad you couldn't come.
I wish I could have gone, but I had to work. What was it like?
It was a lot of fun. The dance floor looked like a big heart, and there were sphere-shaped lanterns hanging from the ceiling.
Did you see the cake? What did it look like?
The cake was white and it had pink and yellow roses on it. It was delicious too. Conversation 110, Hobbies.
What are some of your hobbies?
I like playing sports and dancing. And you?
My favorite thing to do is listening to music.
What is your least favorite thing to do?
I do not like reading books very much.
Really? I did not know that. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.